Hi, I'm Dr. ARSHNOOR from Dr. ARSHNOOR's OET Institute. Dear OET aspirants, thanks for your love and support. Please keep watching my videos, liking and sharing my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss most expected questions asked in the first part of OET speaking. Although this part is not assessed, yet it is crucial to answer all the questions asked by the interlocutor actively and attentively. Let's start with the questions. The first most expected question is, what is your full name? Second, can you please introduce yourself? It could be asked in any form. The examiner wants to know about your identity. So this is, how would you like to be addressed? Or usually this is important question, what is your full name? In this case, the student or the candidate has to tell the full name a person has. So if the examiner asks you that, can you please introduce yourself? In this case, he wants to know about your full introduction, means your profession, what you're doing, and your current status. Next question can be, what is your profession? Then, what is your qualification? As OET test is meant for doctors, nurses and all other medical professionals. So in this case, the examiner will ask you a question related to your profession. So that's the reason this is very important question to be asked and prepared by the students. In which stream are you working? How long have you been working as a doctor, nurse, physiotherapist, dentist or any other profession the candidate is working? Next question is, why did you choose this profession? In this case, you have to give the relevant answer, your likings, your interest, so why you are in this profession. Then the next very important question is, which country are you planning to go? The examiner wants to know your dream destination. So this question can be asked in this form also. Which is your dream destination? You have to speak on the country. Suppose it is United Kingdom, it is Australia, New Zealand or Ireland. Nowadays, the dream destination of most of the medical professionals is United Kingdom. Next question can be, what have you planned after reaching there? It could be about UK or it could be about Ireland, any place where you are planning to go. Do you know something about United Kingdom or Ireland? Or this question can be asked, what do you know about United Kingdom or Ireland? Then the next question can be, what is the most difficult situation you face at your working place? We all know that medical professionals have to face lots of difficulties at their workplace. So this is a question in that scenario. So what type of difficulties the people are facing? Now the next question obviously will be, how do you handle it? Then the next, what are the necessary skills to be a good nurse or a doctor or any profession the person is working in? Now next question can be, describe some ethics you follow in your profession. So next question can be, what are your proud moments of your profession, or what is the most satisfying element in your profession? Next question, describe about your typical working day routine of yours. In this question, the candidate has to explain about the job responsibilities or job profile, how the person is working for the whole day. Then the next question can be, I want to know about if there is any gender disparity still existing in the nursing profession. This question is especially for the nurses because a few years ago, it was only the female nurses who were overpowering this profession, or only female nurses are expected to be nurse. Nowadays, many male candidates are working in nursing profession and they are working in all the streams of nursing. So in this case, a person has to explain about this question in this way. Next question can be, what are the challenges in your profession? So you have to explain about what difficulties or what challenges a person has to face while working at the workplace. Next question, could you please talk about the risk in your profession? So this is very important question and prepare it accordingly. Next question, if you were not a nurse or a doctor, what you were then? So this could be, what would be the second choice of yours? Now come with some other questions which can be expected in your speaking part 1 in the form of the warm-up questions. Do you follow someone as your role model, or who is your role model? Next question can be, what qualities do you feel a doctor, nurse or any profession you are in should have? Most number of the candidates are nurses who are appearing in OET test. So we can consider that what qualities do you feel a nurse should have? If any doctor is appearing, so you have to tell about what qualities do you feel a doctor should possess. Next question, what kind of person makes you a good nurse, doctor or any profession you are in? Next question, why did you choose OET as an English competence test? As we know, apart from OET, IELTS is also an important English competence test. So you have to answer this question. As we know that OET, it is occupational English test, very near to medical profession, as it is similar as a person is working in the work field. Suppose it is listening, he is habitual of listening to same type of the questions at the workplace. Second, reading has to go through all types of genres, as this is in the exam of reading. Writing and speaking, obviously you have to write similar type of the letters to other health professionals. And speaking, everyone is commonly having set up other situations as this is in the role play, but you have to make in the formal way how you would be attending the answer questions, or how would you be asking the questions to the person. Now next question can be, what are the job responsibilities of a nurse, of doctor or any other profession the person is? Next question, how many average working hours are there in your profession, or how many working hours a nurse works in your country? Next question, tell me about your hometown. Yes, usually this is asked to many students. You have to explain about your hometown, where do you live, what it is famous for, what is the most important place to visit in your hometown. Next, what do you feel is a major cause of stress in your profession? And obviously the next question can be, how do you cope with your stress? Or what is your stress buster activity? I guess this will be different in the different cases, as it differs with the personality, attitude and the profession also. So this is very personal question for you and you have to answer it accordingly. Next question can be, what would you like to change in your profession if you get a chance? Here you can speak about any challenges or the risks you are facing, and you want to change those scenarios by which these risks or the challenges should be decreased. In this way, we can prepare our first part or the warm-up session in OET. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment below how did you like it. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, subscribe it so that you should get the latest updates on my channel. Please like and share my video. Thanks for watching. Stay connected.